Good evening, guys. It's pretty chilly out, and it's also pretty rubbing reckless. Anyways, as I was saying, it's pretty chilly and it's also pretty windy. Also, my microphone broke, so if you hear wind noise this whole video, I apologize in advance. It's gonna take me a couple weeks to get that fixed. So, good audio pending, okay? Anyways, it's time for me to make dinner, and I have yet to try to cook out of the Backaroo, so we're gonna see if we can figure that out together. My first initial thought is to use my sleeping platform, but it's wood. And I don't know if I can use my portable butane stove and set it on wood, but then I was thinking that people go camping and they put those portable stoves on picnic tables, which are wood. It's probably coated with something, but still. I don't know. My only other option is the ground or literally on my trunk, so I guess on the hood of my car. I don't know, we're gonna figure it out together. I'm just gonna say in advance, it might be stupid of me to cook on my sleeping platform considering that it's plywood. But I'm just, I'm gonna give it a shot, and if it starts burning, I'll keep water nearby to put out the flames, and we won't do it again. So maybe it'll be fine though. We're gonna find out together. Okay. So what's on the menu for tonight, you ask? I'm so glad you did. It's a tofu scramble. You know what? Like, if this doesn't burn, like my stove doesn't burn my sleeping platform, this is kind of like a perfect setup to cook out a room. All right, I'm getting excited. Can you guys see? Oh my gosh, you know what I forgot? I forgot that my creamer spilled all over my food stuff. So I think my pan is covered in coffee creamer. Salsa. I also had books and cutlery I will need. You know what? It's not that bad. Bubby, you want to lick the bottom of this for me? You lick that. My garlic salt definitely got some creamer on it. Hey, Sony, you're supposed to have like the best autofocus in the game. What's going on? Two things I know I'm missing for cooking is I'm missing like sharp cutlery, like knives, and obviously I'm missing knives. I'm missing cooking spray. I forgot that. I'm missing black pepper. I'm missing a cutting board. Other than that, though, I'm pretty solid. So this might be a really stupid idea, but rum and reckless. You don't know till you try. I honestly, guys, I feel like it's gonna be fine. I feel like it's gonna be all right. All right. Can we? Please. Huh! I guess they do work. Open. When you don't have a knife, you have to use your teeth. Please open. Haha. I'm using my cooler as a chopping block, so that's where the invention is coming in today. Oh my gosh, I don't even have a spatula. All right, we're really, we are really not working with much here. I just realized I don't have a bowl or a way to eat it either. Oh well. Oh well. Want some mushroom? Blue. Can dogs even have mushroom? Good question, Maria. Everything's a chopping block. Everything, Bubby. Oh my gosh. There's little baby bell peppers inside. It has babies! Aw. Here, Blue, you want to eat the babies? Someone remind me to go get actual cutlery, okay? Chill. Why are you like sizzling so hard? Stabbing tofu. Come on. Huh. Good thing about tofu is it'll act as like some form of a lubricant. You guys, like the wood isn't even burning. I'm so excited. This works out so well. Should I send this to Gordon Ramsay? And in goes tofu. Come on. Right. On, off. On, off. I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit here. This is like less of a tofu scramble and more of like a concoction of sorts. Right, literally the only thing I have to season with is garlic salt, which if I'm only gonna have one seasoning, it probably would be garlic salt, so I'm not too mad. Oh my gosh. I'm so proud of myself for having literally no resources. Are you guys like me where when you're cooking, like you can't leave stuff out? I have to clean as I go. Can't stand a messy kitchen. But I have salsa too, so honestly I don't really even need that much seasoning because I just drown it in salsa, so. You know? For plastic forks and not planning very well, it's not that bad. It's looking pretty good. I don't want this heat getting trapped in my car though. I feel like that might not be smart. I don't know. This is amazing. I'm obsessed. I probably should get a top for it too. If anyone wants to comment below and remind me to get a top. And also a spatula and also cooking spray and also pepper and probably more butane and a bowl. And a cutting board. If you could remind me to get all of that, that'd be great. Thank you. The drink of choice tonight. Do you guys love seltzer water? Like me? Okay, cool, good talk. Good talk! You know, for having no cooking spray, it's not sticking at all, so I'm actually pretty impressed. Cheers. Let's test it out here. We're freaking balling, dude. Alright, I'd say that about does it. I'm gonna have to use these little containers that came with, It wouldn't be my life if it wasn't covered in blue hair, so. Oh, Bubby. Blue's I know you guys can't see him, he's out of frame, but he's, wait, he's right there. Being the best wingman and sous chef I could ask for. Oh my gosh, Blue, your hair is on everything. How'd you even manage that? Huh? I guess I'm just gonna scoop it and just go for it here. The thing is, I don't have... Can you get that, Blue? Thanks. Oh, crap. Come on. Well, that's pretty handy there. Alright. The wood isn't even like hot or anything. Oh my gosh, that means I can do this all the time. I'm so excited. Cool. Okay, let me drown this in salsa really quick. Looks pretty good, I'd say. Blue, I just made a whole dinner in the Backaroo. Like, we're unstoppable now. Moment of truth. I am Gordon Ramsay of the Subaru cooking world. Like, wow. My fork just broke, so. Cool. Yeah, I'm actually pretty impressed for the first time trying that setup out. And it's, you know, not bad honestly for having none of the correct tools. So, it's only up from here, you guys. Actually, on a real note though, what's really cool about this is before, when I was living out of Rue and like doing Roaming Reckless full time and stuff, I really didn't cook. Like, I think in my first car tour video, I just said I never even had food storage. But that was back in the day though. I mean, eventually I did towards the end of the road trip. I did get a stove and a cooler and stuff, but at first, like, I used to just travel around and like try to stay close to Walmarts and things like that, just because I didn't really want to have to deal with it. But also I didn't feel like I could get a good setup in Rue, because like, it's not like I have a huge truck or off-road vehicle or overland vehicle or something where I could set all that stuff up. But I guess I underestimated myself, because this setup works really well. So I'm actually really excited about it. And now that just means when Blue and I are going places, we don't have to stick around towns anymore. We can go so far out of the way now, Blue. And we can be self-sustainable, can't we? Yeah. Low key, this cup works pretty well. I'm not gonna lie to you. Can dogs have tofu? Because maybe I'll give Blue some. Tofu is not toxic to dogs. Cool! You can give it as a treat, but not their main source of protein. Alright, well, let's go feed Blue and give him some tofu scramble. You want some, Bubby? Yeah! Blue is actually on a diet right now, fun fact, so I'm not gonna give him a lot, because we need him to lose a few pounds, don't we? Yeah. Sit. You know the deal, good boy. Down. Good boy. Look how dirty he is from running and playing all day. Go get it. Good boy. You like tofu, Bubby? Do you approve? Cool. Sun goes down in 20 minutes, so I'm gonna clean up, put everything away, and call it a night. Because I've got some editing to get done tonight, and I have to plan our next few days, so I'm gonna go get all that done. But thanks for cooking with me. It was a blasty blast. I'm so glad we got it figured out together. Didn't burn down the sleeping platform, didn't catch my car on fire, it didn't blow up. Nothing went wrong. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I guess we'll have to do more of these. And do you have any last words, Bubby? Up, come here. No? Come here, pop up. Good boy. Yeah, I just wanted you to say hi. You are so nasty. We're gonna have to wash you off before you sleep in the car. Perks of sleeping with a dog. Okay. Alright, you guys. We are gonna call that a night, so we'll see you in the next one. Bye! Mom, I have to show you my setup. I have really bad service, so I don't know if it'll work. But look, let me turn this around. How do I turn this around? Oh, here. Look at this setup! I just made dinner!
Oh my gosh!
Can you see it?
You got your little burner?
Yeah, can you see it? Look, I just made tofu.
Yeah, now I can. Oh, yeah.
I just made tofu scramble and I'm drinking a bubbly.
Aw. That looks so fun. Where are you?
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi!
It only took me 4.5 years to figure out that setup.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, Blue's crying.
You turned your bed into a kitchen.
I know, it does both. Okay, Blue's crying. He wants to say hi.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
He's whining.
Aw.
He's like, I know my Grammy's up there. How are you? What have you been up to?
Is it super cold?
It's pretty chilly, but it's not like that bad. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so. What'd you do today?